What's up guys, before we get into the video, I want to make you aware I've put a link in my description for my marketing workshop. We have 3 spots left, and this is where you get to work one-on-one with me. I'm going to help you develop an entire marketing plan for your business. We're going to set a revenue goal, reverse engineer all the numbers. I'm also throwing in something for free at the very end. Click the link below to find all the specifics. There's 3 spots left. I'd be honored to work with you if you're an entrepreneur who is looking to grow and scale your home service business. Let's get to the video. What's going on guys, Matt here, Service Industry Coach, and if you have not hit that subscribe button and you own a home service business, hit the subscribe button right now so you can get updated every single time I post a new video to help you guys grow and scale your home service companies. So here's the deal. I was on a coaching call a few days ago now, last week, and the coaching client said, hey, I wanted to run this idea by you that I heard from a couple other people, and he started talking about this VIP customer plan, and basically it was so complex he couldn't even really explain it that well. He just said basically, like, after you service a client 3 times or something, like, that client gets put into a different category and those people get treated differently. And I stopped him. I said, let's not make your business more complicated than it has to be. And at the end of the day, so many people want sexy, but I just want simple. And here's what you have to understand. The more simple something is, the more likely it is to scale. The more complex something is, the harder it is to scale. And for those of you that love complexity and love to overcomplicate everything in your business, here's the deal. The majority of you guys have a really small business, and it's for that exact reason. But if you can simplify something and scale it, the complexity will come automatically. Like, things that are super simple but scale massively, there's a bunch of complex things that come along with scale. So I want to encourage you guys, instead of trying to overcomplicate everything in your business, simplify every process you have. Make everything as simple as possible, because when you do that, most likely that's going to be the best format to scale the business. And when the business scales, all the complex stuff and all the complexities will come along with that, because all new problems happen when your business scales to be massive. And so for those of you that are obsessed with making everything as hard as possible and super complex and VIP plans and all this other junk that literally doesn't matter, like, you don't have to do this to scale your business, just make things simple, scale it really big, and the complex things will follow. So I just want to jump on here to tell you guys that, like, simplify your business, quit trying to overcomplicate everything. It is not going to serve you and is not going to help you scale. It is not going to help you stand apart from your competitors. And at the end of the day, if you're bored because your business is so simplified, just scale it and it will get more complicated. It's that easy. So I love you guys. I will see you on the next video. Go simplify your business. Just do it for me and watch what happens. I guarantee you the outcome will be massive. We'll see you on the next video.